has ever put conversation hearts in the food processor? Probably no one.
Whoa, Darlene's sick of losing. It's time for candy trivia.
It's the first lifesaver flavor. Was it?
What year did Hershey's release or invent the Almond Joy candy bar? This is the other way.
That's 4.
I can count. You said 2 or more.
I said 2 or 3.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. We just don't want anybody to break a tooth.
Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. I'm Charlene.
And I'm Joe.
And on this episode, I thought that we could use some leftover conversation hearts that we have from a previous Valentine's Day episode.
I thought those were your prize for winning a game.
No.
Or did I win?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh boy. Oh
We
boy.
won't talk about it. But we had some leftovers from a Valentine's Day episode that we did before, and I'll link it below, so if you want to check it out, you can. And since Valentine's Day is actually not here yet, I thought we could do another yummy treat.
Another treat. All right.
Yep. So we are going to be making some conversation heart cookies.
Anything with the word cookie is fine by me.
So Joe, tell us all what we got here.
Vanilla extract, sprinkles of various colors. I call them Valentine hearts. Some people call them conversation hearts. 2 brown eggs, 2 sticks of butter
That have been softened.
that have been softened in the microwave. Ninja blender, KitchenAid mixer, big empty bowl. What?
Flour, baking soda, cream of tartar, and salt.
Tartar.
Sound like a pirate or something weird. All right, let's get this guy going. So first, we are going to get these all crushed up because these are going into our cookies.
Crushed up.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how. So we're gonna hold back a few of these for decoration purposes, maybe like a tablespoon's worth, but this is gonna go in here.
Oh, that's what's going in there.
Who has ever put conversation hearts in the food processor? Probably no one.
Whoa.
Ooh,
Ready?
sounds dangerous.
Sounds like teeth on a chalkboard.
What a lot of smoke. It's like...
The fire department's coming. They smell candy hearts.
It's time to cream our butter and sugar. I'm gonna crack these 2 eggs in there.
In here?
Yep.
Like a pro. Not my first egg.
Add this vanilla extract. Cream everything together. Now we're gonna slowly add the flour, which I'll do that, and you keep this on medium.
Let it fly.
Time to add in our candies and sprinkles. Why don't you get those mixed in, and I'll add these. Whoa, weird.
Rainbow. Purple cookies.
Sprinkles. So here's a trick that my mom taught me. Do you see how all this is in here?
You just stick it in your mouth and it
No,
disappears.
you lift it up a little bit from the bowl and you turn it on. Whoa, 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 it's getting a little wild. And that's why you listen to your mom. We're gonna stick it in our refrigerator for about 20 minutes. The recipe says to do that longer, but we don't have a lot of time. I mean, we got 2 kids. So we're gonna leave it in.
Big appetite.
So we're gonna leave it in the fridge for a few minutes. In the meantime, we'll play our games and do our trivia.
It's game time. I'm gonna tell you guys what we're up to today. It's called Cup Hands United. Both put a cup over one hand. Using your cup hands, work together to stack 3 dice on a table within 30 seconds.
Set, go.
Go. 1.
I can't
Are you even looking what you're doing?
I can't even see where it. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's spread these out. We're putting this one on the middle one. Where are you?
I can't see. You have 10 seconds. Yeah. 4 seconds.
29.92. I can't see it.
You're gonna leave me hanging?
I can't see it.
I
You should have
can't
had 10
see.
seconds, but Charlene couldn't see it. It's time for candy trivia.
Yay! I've got my question ready. It's in my head.
Let's see if she memorized it.
What was the first lifesaver flavor? Was it A, cherry, B, lemon, or C, peppermint?
I wouldn't. My first thought was cherry, but I feel like peppermint's kind of the wild card here. I'm gonna say peppermint, just because it's the one that's a little bit different out of the 3.
And you would be...
Taking it back.
You sure?
No, I'll stick with peppermint. I'm not gonna cheat.
You should have taken it back. Just kidding. You got it right.
Is it peppermint?
It is peppermint.
The way she was talking, I thought I was wrong. What year did Hershey's release or invent the Almond Joy candy bar?
You always choose the weirdest ones that is not even common sense. Years are not common sense.
Common sense. A, 1934. B, 1948. Or C, 1972.
I'm supposed to know years. Where am I going to pull that from? Other than making a guess, which is B.
She guessed 1948. And she is correct. She must have cheated somehow.
I had a chance at guessing and I won. Now we are going to put the dough on our cookie sheet. Wow.
And then, here, this is the other way. Wow.
It didn't land.
Missed the...
It landed, but not where I wanted it to.
Good thing that wasn't the lunar landing. You would have missed the moon.
And then pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.
Cookies are hot. And they're ready for decorations.
Yes. So we're just gonna put a couple, maybe 2 or 3 in each one, just for looks.
That one only says cool.
Speaking of cool, we're gonna let these guys cool off for a little bit and then we will taste it. We've got our cookies all plated up and they look beautiful, right?
Mine does.
They look really pretty. I like them. So it's time to taste our favorite part. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh boy.
So obviously the heart candies are just for looks, but I told you there'd be a little crunch with the candies in there, which I think is interesting. Eat the candies first and then you have the cookie, or vice versa, but not together.
Yeah, I think we just don't want anybody to break a tooth.
I'm surprised you didn't.
My teeth are real strong.
Like an ox.
Check down below links to the shirts, links to our setup, and the recipe.
And our game. all below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.